In this video, I'm going to make a twill weave sample. And a twill weave, remember, is over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, and then it gets offset each row. So we'll go through and do a little sample of that so you can kind of get an idea. So I'm going to take one blue strip, and blue is going to be my right to left strips, and then my up and down strips are going to be these green ones. And I will just glue them to the top, so over 2, so I guess these would be under 2s for the blue, under 2s, and then I will do over 2s by gluing onto the back side, 2 pieces, glue one there, this is 2 pieces here, right. Over 2. So far I have under 2, and then the blue goes over 2, and then I need to go under 2 more, right there, and then it would go over 2 more, but I'm just doing 7 strips. And again, these are 7 3/4 inch strips, so if you're doing this at home, you can cut 3/4 inch strips out of whatever color paper you have. But I have under 2, then the blue goes over 2, then it goes under 2, then it goes over 2. And now I will take a blue piece and I'm going to offset it 1. So what I'm going to do is instead of going under these 2, I'm going to go over 1 and then under 2 because I'm just offsetting it 1, under 2, and then over 2, and then under 2. Like this, and I don't need to glue it everywhere, but I will glue the top down, like I guess the left side of my blue piece down so that it stays in place. I'm going to pull it nice and tight when I do that and try and keep everything in line. Don't want to make it crooked like it is right now. There we go. And then I'm going to start my 3rd row, and I'm going to offset it 1 more. So instead of going over just 1, I'm going to go over 2. And then I'll go under 2, and then over 2, and then under 2, but I only have 1 more. So if there was another, I would have gone over it. Then I'll pull everything nice and tight up top and glue my blue edge down. You can wait till glue till the end so that you can make sure you don't have mistakes though, if you're feeling unsure. But you can see as I'm doing this, there's kind of this stair occurring. So it's like blue stair, green stair, blue stair, green stair. And I want that stair to continue, right? If it's not continuing, like if instead of offsetting things 1, I offset them 2, and I did the opposite of what I did before, where I go under 2, over 2, under 2, over 1, then it breaks up my stairs. See how my stairs don't continue? I need to have blue here and green here and blue here, right? Because my stairs are getting interrupted. So instead, what I would do is I'm going to go under 1, over 2, under 2, and then over 2. Like that. So I have my stairs continuing. So always as you're going along, just check to make sure that the stairs are not being interrupted. There should always be another step. There shouldn't be a gap or like between steps. The steps should be touching. So blue steps, green steps, blue steps, green steps. And I'll just continue on down. So that's how you do the twill weave. I won't show you all of it for sake of time, but you're just going to go down until you've used all 7 of your 3/4 inch strips. And then you can glue everything in place. I would probably wait to glue very much. If there's things that you really need to glue to keep in place, then you can do that. But I would wait to put too much glue in until you have it all finished, because sometimes you're going and you're thinking that you did everything right, and then you finish and you look back and you're like, oh, I messed up clear up here, and I need to take all that out and undo it. And it's a lot easier if you haven't glued it down. So go through, weave it, and then put your glue in.